Why are we selling our 2013 Maserati Granturismo MC? What's going on, guys? Car review guys here. My name's AJ, and today, well, first things first, we got to take the Maserati over to Spartech Performance. So without further ado, let's get a cold start, because it's been a while and it's like 40 degrees. Gonna sound good. Issue with the Maserati is the tire light. Yep. All right, we have arrived back to, oh, if the door doesn't shut on me, Spartech Performance. Let's go inside.
What's going on, guys?
Rocking the green today.
Yeah,
what color are you gonna rock tomorrow?
Huh? Maybe blue.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
Ooh, yeah, no, I agree.
Or pink. You know, we go pink. Not a yellow fan, though. Not yet.
Oh, yellow's
So-
my favorite.
All right, we figured out what's wrong with it. Well, by we, not me, Spartech Performance, but yeah, that's the issue right there. And as you can see, there's a nail. Dun, 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 dun. Yep, whatever. So the Maserati has lived another day, unsurprisingly, of just a little nail. I got it taken care of, and you can see it here at Spartech Performance. She looks pretty good under this lighting, actually. Look at that. And then if you remember in the last video, I actually said that the plate was going to have to be put on another day. Well, today's the day, because they hooked me up, they helped me out, they solved the issue, and the plate's on. So now we're nice and legal. So, you know, the good news of the day. All right, thanks to all those guys. They really helped me out. And now we're about to leave. So what do? You put it in sport, changes the tone. You guys tell me. Alright, we're coming up to the overpass, and you guys know what that means. What's going on, guys? So it is a new day. We are going to jump in the Maserati. We're going to head over to EH Wraps, see what he's got going on in the shop, kind of hang out. You know, typical. But first, cold start, 2013 Maserati Granturismo MC. Let's go. All right, you guys already know. Sport mode. There we go. Got her on. And yeah. You guys know, you know. Okay. I'll admit that one was a little bit lame, but the roads are all wet. What am I gonna do? It's rear wheel drive. You can't do much, so I'm sorry. And yeah, we're gonna move on. It was bad. All right, we've made it over here to EH Wraps. He's got some sort of car in here. I think it's a Toyota Camry. I think I haven't really seen it yet, so let's go in and check it out. Whoa! What's up, man? So, like I said, he's got the Camry in here. I'm not going to show you what all is going on right now because he's still working on it. So once that gets done, then I'll show you guys. Until then, that's all you're going to see. Snake chew. All right, we have got the basketball in a very not round shape. So if I miss in that trash can, you guys owe me a lot of money. I'm just kidding. That's Stradman's line, except opposite. And I'm not going to, but anyway, yeah, we can just watch me do it. That was terrible. I might cut it out of the vlog. Never mind, I'll let you guys see it. It was awful. That was so bad. I gotta do it again. I have to do it again. And this time, you guys aren't gonna see my arm in the frame because that's way too hard to do. That's ridiculous. So I'm gonna go behind the camera. You guys are gonna see it come over, and it better go in the trash can. At least we hope that's where it goes. Yeah, let's do that. Baller, shot caller. Cut. Me and that trash can back there, right there, we're about to get into a fight, all right? I'm not missing again. Well, I might, but you're gonna see me make it. You know what I'm saying? Here we go. Oh. Here we go. Here we go. I told you I'd do it. Boom. There's the finished product. Obviously, the paint is white, but the wrap is the top and the pillars. I mean, that is what we call flawless. Look at that. Looks great. Just saying, just saying. Maserati's over there. That's where we're going. We're going to play some pool, maybe do some darts, who knows. But this is EA Traps on the right side here, as I pointed out before. Still, after 18.5 years, does not have a sign on the door. That's a reflection, obviously, and he needs it on the door. So maybe you guys should yell at him on Instagram and say, get a sign on your door this year, please. Thank you. What's going on, guys? So we are now back at the house from being at EA Traps. Maserati is sitting right there. Yes, we are selling the Maserati. I know it's gonna get beat up in the comments, and immediately, why are you selling it? Well, that's literally the thumbnail of and title of today's video. So let me explain. First off, the Maserati is a great car. I mean, it's a good looking car. It, you know, I don't really have any complaints about the actual car other than little stuff that, like, you know, I don't even know, like the, let's see, I have the key, hold on. Alright, so like going inside, like there's only a couple of little flaws with this car, and it's actually been this way since I've gotten it from JR Garage. So one of the things is actually the little, let's see, right there, that little mirror switch. You can see it's kind of like cockeyed. Well, it's like just sitting there. It works fine, but like it's loose. So that needs to be fixed. Super easy fix, but still annoying. But yeah, let's go to the other side. As we're heading to the other side though, check out the carbon fiber. I'm just saying, I mean, I don't know who doesn't like carbon fiber, but oh, it's so good. Even on like the little top, I don't even know what you call it, the top of the door panel. It's amazing. And then the door handles, ugh, don't mind my camouflage slippers. Yep. All right, so coming in over here, like I was saying, from the other side, so like this is loose, so it just needs to be tightened up, works just fine. And then the other thing is this light switch actually happened literally the night I took the car upon delivery, and the light switch doesn't work. It like literally, so it just moves back and forth. It's stuck on auto, so like the lights work fine, but like this doesn't work. So that's kind of precarious, I guess. And then the infotainment is actually like very outdated. Not that that's the whole point of this car, because I mean, it's such a beautiful car, sounds good and rides amazing. You have carbon fiber here, carbon fiber up there, carbon fiber on this little guy. You got little carbon fiber trim up there. It's on literally the steering wheel. It's over here in the middle. I mean, the whole car is just loaded with carbon fiber. So you can't go wrong as far as the interior goes. It rides really, really smooth too. But sounds amazing. So furthering my point, why would you sell a car when you just got the car? So about 2 weeks after we actually got the car and took delivery of it, my fiance found out that she may be going back to school for CRNA school. If you don't know what CRNA school is or what a CRNA is, I recommend you look it up and then you'll learn something today. In a nutshell, kind of like an anesthesiologist. Yeah. Do your research. Anyway, very intense school. So the first year's all online, and then after that, she is going to have to do pretty much nothing but school, which means 2 incomes down to 1 income. So with that being said, we have to start preparing now for this school, for her to do it. You know, she's backed me for my dreams and the things I want to go after, and it's my turn to repay that. And unfortunately, something has to go. It's either, you know, the R8, which is sitting over there, and many of you very much so love, or the Maserati. Those are the 2 most expensive cars we have, and Maserati has to go. The R8 is staying. It ain't going nowhere for now. So that's the reason we're selling the Maserati, and hopefully you guys can understand why I'm selling it and the rationale. Some of you obviously are going to be typing like, that's stupid, you shouldn't sell it, but I won't sell it if you guys send me the money. See what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to sell it, but it's just kind of how it goes. So anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's upload, even though it wasn't the greatest of news. Just like that, this video is over. Please like, please subscribe. You guys have a great rest of the day. Peace.